Well, I think my clothes smell like straight freaking gas.
Get your beak uncovered here.
Straight gas, guys. We did put some new gas in the PPT.
But she's got about a 4-foot line to get her up there.
Yeah, French-Canadian. You know, you'd think they'd know better. CCW engine. This thing's been dormant for the last decade or more. Make sure you guys, if you haven't seen the revival of this, make sure you go check that out. But this is going to be the first time we've ever driven it in snow.
If we can get her to drive.
We've driven it out of the shed, but I've been feeding it fuel. So
let's see what we can do.
We're going to try to get it to pump gas. I have it in neutral currently, so we'll see.
We're in business, boys! But put her in high! Hang on! That high or low? High. Oh yeah, I was just saying, we're moving! That's awesome!
We'll take it out in the field. Yep. This thing is reversed though. Man. Guys, I'm pretty sure the crank seal literally came out of the crankcase and it's just flopping. That would explain the lean pops. The crank seal, that's why I was lean popping. The crank seal came out. Thank God we made it back. We can put it. Oh my God. Well, guys, that's probably going to end our day on the PPT before we blow that thing up. We got to ride it though.
What about the yellow one?
Oh, the Onan. That thing runs like crap. Oh, it probably has wider tracks though. Yeah, oh, way wider. Anyways, guys, hopefully the PPT is okay. It was definitely lean.
Motor rebuilds.
Or motor swap. Fuji.
At 440 fan, that clearance one I got.
Yep. I guess, yeah, that was still fun.